If Sheena would just let her nurse, the baby would lay down and go to sleep.
Not yet. She's too wound up. She's enjoying this bouncy box too much.
Oh, Sheena wouldn't let her nurse. She might bite her nipple off.
Wait. Maybe they are.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe they've come to an agreement. Nobody's bounced out. I can't see inside the box. Oh, there it went. She's behind you, Sheena. She's gonna pounce right back on you in a minute. She's gonna turn around and come pounce on top of you. I can't get you over there. Come back here in the view, monster.
She's going.
I gotta sneak up on Mama. From above. Point. Oh, Mama about caught her. Oh, free.
I'm sorry, Sheena. Not my fault. Shouldn't start so low.
Where is she? Sheena said, somebody tell me where she is. She's on the other side of the box. SnowBaby. I mean, Snow Monster. There's SnowBaby. Jump in the box with Mama. Getting in the box with that, Mama. You can't hide behind a cord, Goofus baby. Get over here. Where'd you go? Oh, there you sit. She's thinking out behind you, Sheena. I'm serious, behind you. Sheena, she's over here. There she is. Below, right? No, what's that? You get punished for that, child. Why do you keep doing it? Oh, you are so cute, SnowBaby. Oh, I feel sorry for whoever gets that kitten.
Who needs to buy expensive cat toys? Well, all you need is a box.
A box. Yep. A box and a cat. That's all it takes.
That's all you need for Charlie. A box, a paper bag, some newspapers, rings.
What's she got? Blah. No, don't eat that. Whatever that is. She's got a fuzzball or something. No, baby. No, baby, don't eat that big thing. That'll choke you. It's between her feet. Sheena said, thank you. Sheena, look behind you. Watch behind you. Watch behind you. Look behind you. Never mind. I gave her away, so she left. She abandoned the mission. She's back.
Eat now. Did you already eat it?
It's none of your business.
Must have been food, maybe.
Or catnip that was on the floor.
Yeah, put her in the box.
Sheena says, yeah, leave her there.
Yeah.
What a little bug. Oh, she's mad. Losing my light. Baby, go back over there where the light is. Oh, no, I'm bloody from the other trip. Thank you anyway. Go back in the box with your mama. Go back in the box with your mama. There you go.
Yes, off the top ropes. Jeez, like, what the? What am I supposed to do?
Poor Sheena.
She's thinking about failing.
I don't know how to take care of this child when it's like this. There's Sheena. She's still alive. Not sure if the baby is. There's the baby. She escaped. I'm sorry, Sheena. I cannot make her stay in the box with you. You giving up on her? She's back in the box. That is just too cute. Oh, the baby's between the two boxes.
Oh, wow. She is grabbing her ass outside the box and screaming, little girl, some her a bud.
Bad time, baby.
Wow.
I'll be amazed if Sheena ever wants to have a kitten again.
Look at her go. She's not going to be able to jump. She's going to fall face first.
You gotta squeeze her belly through there.
Smart kid.
She says, wow, Mom, getting a bit rough, aren't you? Mom said, I've had it with you. I mean, it's bedtime. I think your mama's mad, Snowbee. Her tail just twitch. I have had it. I'm going to eat it. You know where she's rolling, don't you?
Catnip.
Yes, Sheena's rolling in the catnip. She didn't have any earlier, but she's got to have it now.
Oh, now the box is going on. Wink.
Baby gave up. Smack. He says, what's going on in here? You're laughing an awful lot, Dad. Didn't see the Charlie. He don't show up on the camera. Baby's just gonna wrestle with the box. Forget Mama. She says, I got two boxes to squeeze between. I know, Sheena. I'm so sorry. Me too. My foot causing a shadow.
Okay, just freaked out about the kitty. You can see where all the racks.
He wanted to play in the cardboard box and can't.
Him scaring away all your movement.
Oh, Sheena dive bombed that time instead of Baby.
Jumped up and cracked him.
Baby's leaving. I know, she's coming back. She's a beast.
I love it. One of these times they're going to settle down and she's going to learn her.
Yeah. I think she was using Sheena's body as a trampoline. Boing, boing, boing. Sheena, are you tired? Sheena's getting tired. She's just too old for that. Bit her tail and then jumped back in the box. Can't see you down there, Sheenie. You don't show up in the dark. You go back and play with the white baby snow monster. Yeah, she's like, why aren't you playing no more? Sheena's like, I'm tired. Are you tired, poor baby? I know, that little beast. That little beast child of yours. Okay, I guess the movie's over for tonight. She don't want to play with you no more, SnowBaby. You're mean. You wore the poor mama out. Stay in there. Stay in. Oh. Note the puffy orange tail on the SnowBaby.
You don't get to see the tail.
Get in here, get in here, get in here. Bug crazy.
He's got bug eyes because all he can hear is what's going on and he doesn't know what's else happening. Why don't you turn around and see
Well, he's
what's
probably never seen you laugh so hard in a long, long time either.
That's not true. I would laugh at him.
That loud, that long?
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Then he probably thought you was calling him.
All I need is a sheet and a couch, and I can get 4 hours worth of entertainment out of this one here.
Or a wad of paper.
No, that only lasts about half an hour.
Taking a nap, Sheena. Taking a nap, baby. I don't blame you. Maybe she's ready to go night-night. Quiet. Not for long. Maybe.
Showing up on the top rope.
You know how long I've been videoing them?
I have no idea.
11 minutes and 22 seconds.
Oh, then you got some good shit. You need to figure out how to chop it and
How to edit it.
wrap it all together. Give your computer a virus.
SnowBaby, go to bed. How to put a kitten to bed safely.
Look at that.
Hey, puppy tail. She says, oh, I gotta eat a snack first. Look how puffy her tail is. I wish it'd show up on the video. It won't. Can't get that close up on her.
Oh, man, Charlie. Alright.
Charlie said, I got a puffy tail. Charlie, I don't know if you want to join this game. He's like, that's Sheena. I don't want to play her game, Daddy.
He loves boxes.
Sheena's like, come on, take you.
Yeah, but he loves boxes. It's not fair. He's like...
Sheena loves boxes, too.